Hi. One sec, I'll be right with you. I'm not gonna stay. We don't know. Good afternoon, guys. It's like, well, I don't even know what time it is. I think it's like 4:30. I definitely woke up this morning and was like, oh, I'm gonna be productive. I'm gonna do stuff today. Yeah, actually I woke up at like 6:30 this morning, and then I had like a 2-hour phone call with a boy, and then I drove to this beach, and then I was on this beach for like, I didn't even get out of the van. I just was like in the van hanging out, like eating some lunch, and then I FaceTimed the boy again, and then we were drinking at like 11 in the morning. It was some day drinking. I think it's a Wednesday. I'm not really sure. But then I got super tired and took like a 2-hour nap, and here we are. It's 4:30 in the afternoon and I have not been productive at all. Welcome to van life. So I'm going to make some coffee while I talk about things. Okay, so while we wait for the water to boil and I can make my coffee, topic of this video is thrift haul. I went thrifting. I actually went thrifting while I was in Minnesota. So this is not stuff from California. This is from the Goodwill that I really love, where you can just like dig through bins and everything is pay by the pound, and it's fucking fantastic. So today's thrift haul is brought to you by Minnesota thrift stores. First look I want to start with, I found these army pants. I think they're army pants. I don't know. Pretty sure these are army pants. But they are super soft. They're like really like nice loose fabric. They fit my waist really nice. Well, actually they're a little big. I just cinched them in with my favorite belt. It's this guy. Everybody asks me about this belt. I love this belt, and so does everybody else apparently. I actually thrifted this, or not thrifted. I found this at the antique mall in St. Paul, and I had been looking for a belt like this forever, and I'm so sorry. I wish I could give you like a location of where to buy it, but it has no defining markings on it. Love these giant freaking pockets. I've always been a fan of like army wear, not a fan of combat or fighting, but love their clothes. Their clothes are really fun. They are super cute and high-waisted, so basically I can pair them with kind of any sort of crop top, or like maybe a lace bodysuit I think would be really cute. Water is boiling. With those pants, I paired this like super silky blouse thing with them. This is definitely vintage. You can always tell because of the label. The label is always like cursive and old looking. But this, I think I found at the pay by the pound. It weighs nothing, so it really costs like 10 cents probably. I really like the detailing on it. It's got these buttons that are like the same, they're covered in the same material that the shirt's made out of, which I really love. I just think these silky shirts look really good with trousers. I kind of like that juxtaposition of like silky, dainty. Again, why I would pair like a bodysuit, like a mesh, what is that called? Lace? Like a lacy bodysuit with like army pants, or like something high-waisted like men's slacks. I just think it's really kind of a fun way to play with like something that's like super sexy, and then toning it down with something that's a little bit more masculine and able to go play in. I want like pants on, but I like looking cute. Also, random clip of me showing off my bra. I found this like super cute strapless bra at the thrift store, which I know is like kind of taboo. I think people don't really buy bras at the thrift store, but this was really cute, and I think it's kind of like vintagey. It looks old. It might not actually be. I don't know, but it's got that style. It's like silky. It's like there's no padding in it, which I'm like a huge fan of. I've actually started buying bras at the thrift store, not to actually wear. This one I do. I want to start cutting them up and making kind of lingerie out of them. All I'm doing is buying it for the underwire, or maybe the like material it's made out of, so it doesn't really make sense to be buying it full price. Next outfit. This is the thing, people. I don't really have standards. I love thrifting. I definitely found these pants at the Pay by the Pound, so they were cheap. I usually just go there and my shopping cart is usually piled high with things, and then I go to the mirror and I like weed things out, throw things back, and I usually still leave with like a pile of clothes, because it just costs nothing, and then I can play with it, I can chop it up, I can make things out of things if they don't end up being what I like. So these pants, I'm always looking for a good pair of like black high-waisted jeans. So found these and I was very excited about them. Downside, probably why the person got rid of them, there's a giant who knows what kind of stain on here. Maybe I should wash them. Huh. Well, if it doesn't come out, I can just cut them into shorts, roll up the pant leg, and then that stain is almost completely invisible. With these jeans, again, they're like these more like manly, sturdy man pants, right? I don't know. I hate saying that because it's like, okay, well, what is men's clothing, or okay, yes. They're like stereotypically men's pants. I really like, again, pairing those things with clashing styles. I found this. This was a matching set. It has bottoms too, but I just really like this top because it's kind of a more vintagey feel. It's got a corset design. It's obviously not real corset because it's flimsy, but it's got that kind of design to it. So it hugs your body really nice and tight. And then I really liked this lacy detailing. I really liked it with the jeans, so I thought it was a good pairing. Practical. Practical is the word I'm thinking of. I really like pairing flimsy lingerie, impractical clothing with very practical clothing. I think the combination is really cute, and it kind of offsets one being too much or the other being too much. Next on the docket, this lovely polka dotted dress. It's got like, it tapers out at the end of the dress. It kind of is well fitted along the bust line, and it's got my favorite kind of neckline. I love this neckline. I think it's really pretty. It just kind of goes across your neck, and then yeah, like a neckline does. It's like an elegant dress, so I could dress it up with like a classic pair of black heels and like maybe a pearl necklace and or like faux pearl, because God knows I can't afford real pearls. You could totally class it up, obviously, right? Like that would be the obvious way to go with a dress like this. I also, again, I love like toning down outfits. I'll take one really kind of classy piece, and then I will take like Converse and I will wear that, and like that's what I would wear just out running groceries. I was thinking about this earlier. I've decided that my style is like, had a classy night out, slept at some guy's house, and then woke up the next morning and threw their Converse on. It's like a morning after outfit, you know? So that's my style. Don't wear it out. Or do wear it out. Wear it out. That's the way it's supposed to be done. Next dress. Oh, actually, not next dress. Next little thing I found. I wasn't sure if I should post this on the internet, but I was like, fuck it. I've been seen in much less before. You've all seen me in a swimsuit. I've done it in like my other videos. There's not a big deal. So, I found this really cute little nightie, but it's so cute. Like, it's completely sheer. For the video, I paired it with just that little black bra that I just showed you, and then some high-waisted underwear, and I preserved my modesty for you all. I just feel like I should be like a little nymph frolicking through the woods, except it's a little too neon-y purple for me, but I don't know. I thought it was really cute. Who wears these? My problem is that like I don't actually wear a lot of the like negligee. Is that the right word? That came out of my mouth with no true knowing. I don't actually know who actually wears these. I have so many cute little night slips that I absolutely don't wear because I live in a van. Like every night my thought process is like, I could sleep naked, I could sleep in some cute lingerie just for myself because no one else is in here with me, or I could wear like big baggy shorts and a big baggy t-shirt in case the cops knock on my window and I have to open up the doors. Guess which one I end up with most nights. I can't pass it up though, so I have to buy it, and then you know, might end up on my Depop again. Check it out. We'll find out. We're all along on this ride together. Ow. Ow. Downside of living in the van is I'm on my knees all the time. I think that I only have, oh, my knees hurt so bad. Oh my god. I should have found a more comfortable position to talk about stuff in. This one, I don't even know why I bought this. I don't think I'm ever gonna wear it, but I say that now and then I'm gonna end up wearing it. I personally think this is really ugly. I don't know what it is. When I go thrifting, I'm like looking for things that are on the cusp of just ugly. This definitely falls into that category. It's like a mesh woven hat with like, which on its own already kind of ugly, but like kind of on the verge of being cute. I don't know. I feel like we're in that style right now where like you're trying to look cute, but like with ugly, like things that used to be ugly. I don't know. Is it cute? We're not sure. If she wears it with confidence, it is. But it's got this really, really terrible, like, fake gold chain around the front with pearls in it. I'm just trying to figure out who owned this previously and wore it in all seriousness. I actually put it on with braids and it was kind of funny. It, like, didn't look too bad. So, might be selling it. Keep an eye out if this is your style. If you can make it work, power to you. But I also might end up deciding I like it. Who knows? I don't know. I don't know why you listen to me. I don't actually know what I'm doing with style at all. But here you go. This is make or break right here. Decide if you like me right now. And I think I only have 2 more outfits for you guys. Let's talk about my favorite little find first. And that would be this. I never thought I would be a fan of these. I have seen them in movies and I never thought they were cute, and I have seen them in stores and I never thought they were cute, and all of a sudden one day I found one, which was in my last thrift haul video, and then I have miraculously just found this one. And this one fits me even better than the last one did. This is all one piece, like it's all one dress, but I kind of love that it's got this really, okay, normally I wear a slip under this, just so you can't see my whole butt. It's got this really classy skirt to it, like this like pleated skirt, and then it's got kind of a baggier top, which ties on the side. I like that the top is, like they did this design really well, because this is kind of like classy, really fancy, pretty, and then the top is kind of a more like loose fitting, not trying too hard kind of top. Also, I love this brand name. Like, how cute. Buds. From Duluth. Oh, I love Duluth. This I still would probably pair with, like, Converse. Or, yeah, probably just Converse, actually. I like to buy clothes that kind of speak for themselves, so I don't really need to style, like, a whole outfit usually when I'm wearing clothes. It's just, like, I'll buy a piece of clothing that is just interesting enough in itself to make the outfit pop. And then I don't need to deal with like actually trying to make up an interesting outfit. Last thing that I have for you guys is this thing. God, who knew that I would be such a drop waist fan? This has become a thing now. I never liked it. And here we are today with so many things in this van that are drop waisted. This color is a little garish, I think. It's very, very peachy, but oddly I don't hate it. So this dress has these like really, where do I start with this dress? This dress is just one long piece and it goes all the way down and it passes your butt, and then it's got this like really fun fringy thing, which again, styled with a pair of Converse. That's all I wear. I live in a van again, so my shoes are all stuck in the back. I have a lot of shoes. I love shoes, but my Converse are the only thing that I just kind of stay out in the front. So everything I buy goes with Converse. These sleeves I wasn't really sure about. I was like, oh, like maybe I can cut them off. They're kind of a lot. Like with this dress like becomes very peachy when you put all of it on at once. which is how you normally wear a dress. These sleeves felt a little overwhelming when I first put them on, and then I filmed the modeling clip for this, and the sleeves are actually maybe my favorite part. I love this little cuff detail, and maybe it was just for the modeling clip, but like I had so much fun like playing in the sunshine with these, like kind of like letting the sun go through them, and it was just really pretty. I don't know. I had a lot of fun filming this dress. That is my last thing for you. I don't think I had anything else. Oh, I did have like a couple little earrings that I got, that I thrifted. I am kind of a sucker for any kind of gold jewelry. Obviously, I have got jewelry all over the place. I'm a fan of any gold jewelry, always, obviously. That's like kind of the only jewelry I wear. I kind of just went with a theme and stuck with it. That way everything kind of matches, everything goes with itself, and I don't have to worry about like, is this jewelry gonna match what I'm wearing today? Because it will, because it's all kind of the same. These I just thought were super cute. They're kind of funky. They're like just kind of a gold wire kind of wrapped around these half hoop earrings. The last ones that I wanted to show you were these ones that I'm wearing actually. I bought these a while ago, but I wanted to put them in here because I think they're so pretty. Let me take one out and show you. I just think they're so beautiful. And I did happen to have like a little modeling clip when I wore them on the beach. They're just so elegant looking, and they're so nice looking when they're in your ear holes. That's it. That's all I have from this past thrift haul. I'm gonna drink my coffee now that it's like 5 or 6. It was nice to hang out with you guys again. Thanks for coming and hanging out in my van with me. It's been a blast. I've been very lonely. I've been alone. I haven't been lonely. I've just been in here a lot. Alone. All right. Goodbye, friends.